morning, my wonderful people. This is Usual Fashion, and today we are learning how to make a flare blouse with strap. So if you enjoy this tutorial, just give it a thumbs up, share with your people, and subscribe as well. So now I'm making use of chiffon fabric. You can see it's 1 yard of chiffon. So now, if I want to make my top, I'll fold my fabric like so, put the edge together, then from this angle, this joint part, now I've placed my fabric well on my table. Because it's going to have strap, I'm going to use 5 inches for the strap. So I'll minus 5 from it. Then the blouse length, I don't need the bust measurement. All I need is my shoulder measurement, then the blouse length. So the blouse length here is 25. I'll just chop my 25. Remember, I minused my 5. Then I will rule out this part for my shoulder. And I'll measure it. It's up to my shoulder. The shoulder is 14. And I'm having 14 here. You can see. Just swap this part out. Then the next thing is to go around with my tape. I place back my table here, or you can place your table here, either of the two. You still get the same result. If you place your table here, this is 20 inches. 20 inches. I'll go around without 20 inches. Now, I'm gotten what I needed. Next thing is to cut it. Now I'm done cutting it. So, you can see this place is open while this place is joined. So, I want to open this joint part as well. So, it will be, the folding will only be on this side. I'll open my fabric. You can count now, it is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, after doing that, the next thing I will do is, since this plate is joined, this part is joined together, I'll use this from my front and back. You know it's 4. So 2 for front, 2 for back. So it's going to be front and back. And this open part is going to be my side where I'll join the two together. So now, for the neck, I'm going to use 4.5. But I want it to be wide. So I'll use 4.5. Then I'll add another 1 inch. That's where the strap will enter through. Then I'll come down by, you know, I said that I subtracted 5. So in order for the arm not to be too wide, so I'm coming down with additional 2 inches, making 7. I don't want it to be exposing the back. So now, just cut the start off. Then the next side, I've subtracted 5. I'll just come down with 1 inch so that the cleavage will not be showing. Making 6 inches. But if you want the cleavage to be showing, you can cut it more than that. Now I'm done cutting my top. The next thing I'll do is to cut my facing for it. You can use bias to turn the neck, or I don't like I don't want to bias, so that's why I'm using my facing. So I'll cut for both front and back. Please ensure the joint part is together. You can see this space to is joined. And because it is chiffon fabric, it will be shaky. It will not stay properly on the table. So that's why I use pin to hold it down. Cutting facing for the two. So, and I secure it with my pin. I'll go and sew this neck side. Then I cut for my strap. You know, I said I subtracted 5 inches. So for both front and back, I subtracted for 5 inches to making 10. Then for the allowance, I added 2 inches. So I will sew like 1 inch inside, 1 inch inside at the back as well. So making 12 inches. And it is 12 by 2. I use 12 by 2 inches. So when I'm done sewing, I've sewn my facing, my hip body. Then I use hemming gum. If you don't know hemming gum, this is hemming gum. I use it to gum it down. Because the facing is small, it's very small. I don't want it falling back or showing outside the thing. So I now join my front and back with this strap. I fix the strap inside the the facing and the main fabric. So now I'll go and join my sides together. I'll show you the